Welcome back to Got Fuels Motor Car Garage. We're going to do an open box of the 66 Chevy Suburban by Revell. This is the oldie special, 10 bucks. I know I've commented in past videos that this is going to be my first full weathered build. So we got the engine is the 283 V8. 124 parts. It's molded in white. It's a level 4 kit. Take a look at it here. I'm surprised it's a level 4 kit. It must have oh, it's got opening doors in the back too. I wonder if the side door is open. I think it's opening doors. It looks like it might be. Let's open it up. See what the inside looks like. Still a little hoarse from last week. It's not as bad as it was, that's for sure. That was awful. Well, down here to the body. First, five wheels. I guess we can put a spare in the bottom. Take a look. Yep, got a spare wheel down there in the bottom. Don't feel like the mold lines. I don't feel much problem with them, but yeah, appears that it does have an opening back door. At first glance anyways. A little rough right through there. It's about really all I feel. This is the wheel innards. Must be the white walls for the wheels. Oh, those are the outer wheels, steel wheels. Not great detail in them. Tires are your basic Revell top quality tires. Ain't too terrible, but ain't great. Ain't that great either. Interior panels. Some decent raised detail there. That's the floorboard. A little textured. That's the back door, so it appears that it's the inside. And this looks like part of the spare wheel and fuel tank housing, but it appears that the back door glues in as one piece. That's what it looks like. I'm not seeing a lot of flashing or anything in this one. It looked too bad so far for a $10 kit. At the rear end, hood, with one 3-piece hood, like I believe was the 65 Chevy step side. Battery, looks like brake booster, brake pedal, gas pedal. That looks like carburetor here. That's the master cylinder. lower A-arm. Yeah. Steering wheel. That's the front steering assembly. There's a little flashing on it, but nothing too terrible. Doesn't look bad at all yet as far as flashing goes. The chassis. Radiator and radiator support. Fan shroud. Hoses. Steering column. Looks like something else to the steering here. Oh no, that's the upper A-arm assembly, I believe, because the... No, that's the lower A-arm. Seat's got a little bit of coarse texture in the seat. Another wheel. Not too sure about. Seat back. Firewall. Not much detail on that. Looks like an inside door panel of sorts. And another back seat. A little bit of texture in it. Engine, transmission, intake, oil pan, air cleaner, alternator, exhaust manifolds, heads and valve covers, water pump or pulleys, front of the alternator. Don't look bad. Flashing's not bad at all. It's like one piece top, dash. Dash has got some pretty decent detail in it. It's not super raised, but maybe we'll have a decal for it. There's the heater box, shocks, fan, exhaust. You got the drive shaft with the carrier bearing. Chrome parts. So we got red parts here. Tail lights. I don't know if I'll be dechroming it or maybe hit it with, I'll probably hit it with just a flat clear. Not the shine down on the chrome and weather it out. Looks like the C10 Chevrolet emblems, door handle. Not too sure what that little chrome piece. Then we got the chrome hubs, mirrors. Some more door handles, wiper blades. I don't know about y'all, I'm not a fan of the chrome wiper blades. I just dechrome those all the time. Well, I've started anyways, the last 2 or 3 builds. Dechrome them, hit them with gloss black. You know, I don't see any real cars with, didn't see any back in the day that were real with chrome wiper blades. So let's take a quick look at the glass. Some pretty decent looking glass. Not terrible. It's got some good detail in the headlight lenses. Picking it up on camera. Those look like turn signals. Small clear piece here. I'm not too sure. That's the side vents. Looks like the back glass. No, those are obviously the side glass. So. Doesn't look like a bad kit to actually build a decent, a nice looking model out of. And we got the instructions here. Let's see what we got for decals. Oh yeah, we got a dash decal there. C10 stickers, and those are for the seats. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do because I'm going to do some weathering to the seats. I plan on doing like I know, like I have a 94 Chevrolet pickup, and where you get in, the bottom of the seat always gets wore out. I plan on cutting that out somehow and making it look like duct tape on it. So that's the stickers, or the decal, or decals. for my European and Canadian friends. And then we got the instruction booklet. And it looks like your basic Revell instructions. It'll be detailed nicely, and I always do like the Revell for putting in the part number with what it is. I don't think since I've been back to building, I don't think I've seen AMT have that listed in their instructions, letting you know what's what. But yeah, it looks like your basic, easy to follow Revell instructions. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna get this thing cleaned up and get the parts cleaned up and start getting the body prep done. And hopefully it won't take me a month and a half, 2 months like it did on the last one to get this one built. So that's the unboxing of the 66 Revell Chevy Suburban. Thank y'all for watching. Got Fuels, Motor Car Garage.